Power transmission and distribution systems and the products needed for their safe, economic, and reliable operation have an extremely interesting history and an exciting future. Interesting history? Thomas Edison's DC underground systems in some large cities were, of course, the first power distribution systems. But in 1886, a young man at Great Barrington, Massachusetts, just 20 miles south of Pittsfield, actually set the stage for today's power distribution system. William Stanley developed the first practical transformer, built some units, plus the needed generation equipment, and distributed electrical energy for several blocks in Great Barrington. Stanley later attracted financial capital in Pittsfield and moved there in 1890 to set up his manufacturing operation. He offered a power system known as the SKC system, and the Stanley Laboratory and Manufacturing Companies were born. In 1903, the Stanley Electric Manufacturing Company was purchased by the General Electric Company, and in 1907 became the nucleus of what is now the Pittsfield Transformer Plant. We've changed a lot here over the years, but our objective to furnish high-quality, reliable transformers and accessory products remains the same as back when we produced the first units in 1903. That's why we carefully control, quality of basic materials and manufacturing processes right from the start. That's the only way to assure reliability in core and coil assemblies, such as these commercial distribution transformers, 167 kVA and above, built here, or power transformers over 1 million kVA that we build and test in our mammoth new Building 100. Pittsfield continues to be the largest center for the technology and manufacture of GE utility transformers. Of course, we're lucky to have places such as Tanglewood and Shaker Village practically in our backyard. Yes, we're proud of our heritage and countryside. But the real reason for looking back is to help set our sights on a bright, new future. A future filled with opportunity. Many developments in power distribution and transmission are still happening right here in this area. Our environment, with its ever-changing seasons, is part of our heritage. We skate where we swim and hike where we ski. We welcome change, and sometimes, as Stanley did, make change happen. And all of our people take pride in producing quality products for exacting utility customers. GE at Pittsfield has all the necessary ingredients for a healthy business, an experienced, skilled workforce, a firm company belief in the Pittsfield area, and a sizable investment in plant and equipment. Although portions of our plant date back some years, they house some of the most modern equipment available anywhere. The men and women you'll meet today are capably backed up by over 300,000 other GE employees who make varying degrees of contribution to utility load growth and serve other important facets of your electric utility industry, generating, transmitting, and distributing electrical energy. Distribution, which alone represents about 40% of total utility system investment, must function closely and compatibly with transmission, which wheels the power to substations, and generation, which develops the kilowatts, all to operate appliances, motors, electric heating, lighting, and other utilization devices. Research projects conducted here in Pittsfield, such as projects EHV, UHV, and HVDC, have aided utilities immeasurably in solving complex transmission problems. Here, a 12-ton, 39-foot high-voltage bushing is being installed in the world's highest voltage auto transformer for use in ultra-high voltage overhead transmission research. EEI and individual utilities use these UHV facilities. Here, a lightning arrestor for the West Coast HVDC intertie is on test in the Pittsfield High Voltage Lab. We seek to develop and maintain a deep understanding of total system design and operation, along with a well-rounded awareness of the problems facing utilities. These valuable inputs are factored into our research, development, and design activities, leading to new, better products. As a result, you get the reliable, tested products you need, and we get the satisfaction that goes with providing advanced design, high-performance products and systems. General Electric early recognized that fundamental research into scientific phenomena, materials, and processing had to be supplemented with well-staffed, well-equipped laboratories. Here in the new Pittsfield Materials and Technology Laboratory, our scientists and technicians probe deeply into the effects of corrosion and other conditions encountered in overhead and underground environments. Utilizing many unique, sophisticated analytical and testing equipments, they thoroughly investigate every avenue of scientific possibility to unravel the mysteries of materials that affect the service reliability of electrical equipment. In the Materials and Technology Lab, designated a company center for insulation systems research, highly skilled professionals strive to develop new, improved transformer insulation systems, such as Permalex 2, and conduct continual evaluations of materials, new and old, to find better ingredients for products with improved electrical and mechanical characteristics. The William Stanley Library, one of the most complete technical libraries in industry, is located in the same building and provides capable reference backup for all phases of research and development. When department-oriented laboratories cannot discover a suitable answer to a perplexing problem or challenge, we turn to other extensive company laboratory facilities, such as the GE Research and Development Center in Schenectady, to perform advanced research and development activities. Laboratories can provide some of the answers, but another source of solutions is with a key group of expert system engineers who tackle problems large and small and usually come up with the right answers. With our collective expertise in the design, application, installation, and servicing of electrical components and systems, all keyed to growth, we can help you provide reliable electric power to meet growing customer electrical requirements. Yes, we're proud of our past achievements and present talents and facilities, but the real reason for asking you to review them with us is to help us jointly set our sights on a bright electrical future together in the soaring 70s. That's power distribution, Pittsfield style.